Good morning. I am going to show you how to use Google Drive. This is a question we get asked a lot, and I love Google Drive. The reason why is because it's a live document, and I have a Mac, and my business partner has a PC. So with Microsoft Word, I haven't installed Microsoft on my Mac computer. So when someone sends me a Word document, I have to open it up in what is called Pages in Apple World. So let's not go down that rabbit hole. But with Google Drive and Google Docs and Google Sheets, it doesn't matter what you have. I can access it from my phone. I can get it from my computer, my tablet, and everyone can see the changes and access it from anywhere. You don't have to save anything, re-upload, download. That's why I like Google Drive. So I want to show you how it works. So I'm going to dive in and share my screen. And let's go to Google. So in here, we have the folder that I've shared with the team. And each one, so let's just go into our educational committee folder. And this folder, in here you have, let's just say you guys do a survey you want to create a survey to see what topics people are interested in doing. You can do one of two things. You could click New, and you can click Google Docs, which is going to open up a document, or you could do Google Sheets, which is going to be like a Excel sheet. So I had started this one already, so you could just click New Doc. This doesn't have anything on it. And then you can create this document just like you would a Word document, okay? So you can start typing on here, whatever you want. Now, the cool thing about this is you don't have to worry about saving this document. It automatically saves. So it already says all changes saved in Drive. So topics for January, or we could just do, January 2019. And then you could do time management, organization, if I could spell right. So you can, just start typing. You can highlight and you can bold. You can, move this into the middle. The thing I like about Google Drive is as soon as you're typing this, if someone else were to open up this document, they'd go into their Google Drive. They would go to, this document. They can see you typing. So we can be, I take notes a lot when I'm on phone calls, and our team will be on the same document taking notes so we can see what we're saying and make changes as we need to go along. All you have to do when you're done is just exit out. Then you can see, go back in. I didn't click save. I didn't have to download and re-upload. It's right there, okay? And the people that the folder is shared with, they can also access this document. The speaker schedule, this is an Excel sheet, a speaker schedule I put together. And so this goes into what it's loading because it takes a minute when I'm on Zoom. You have a calendar, you can have this works, for timesheets, things like that. But you can just come in here and you can put, what the topic is, and then, put a name here. This, again, is just like Excel. So you go to Format, Text, Wrap Text, and do that way. So this is how this works. This is a live document. And then the other thing is you can, in order to get to Google Drive, you just go to Google, you just Google Google Drive, and it's going to be right here. So it's just google.com/drive. You should have gotten, if someone shares a folder or a document with you, you'll get an email with that document, and then you can open it up. I always if I open up a new window, I always bookmark it here to save it. So you can access this on your phone. It works the exact same way. That is Google Drive in a nutshell. If you have questions, let us know. Thanks.